How to attach files and images to cards in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're wondering how to attach files or images to your cards, here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Trello app and log into your account. Open the board where your card is located from the Workspace tab. Once you open up one of your boards, go ahead and click on the card you want to edit. Tap on the initials to open up this card, and once you do, from the pop-up, go ahead and scroll down and click on Attachments. Click the plus button right next to Attachments, and from the pop-up, it'll give you a few options over there. You can attach files from Trello, Confluence, Jira, File option, Document Scanner, QR code, etc. Pick the one that matches where your file or images is stored on your device. I'm just gonna click on File. Select any one file you want to attach from your library. And once you are done, your file or your document will appear in your card. So that's how you attach a file and image to Trello cards. Instead of file, you can also attach images. Just select photo or video from the list and choose a photo or video you want to use. So right after you do that, you'll be able to see your attached files or images to your cards. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.